Hello everyone, today we'll be creating this nice sports poster. So first we'll set our image size to 2550 by 3300. Let's just set the color to white for now. Let's set an image as the background. I'll just set this texture image as the background. I'll import the second image I'll be using. All project files are linked in the description including the PLP file. I'll just crop the image. Make it to cover the full screen. Go to erase color and erase the white color. Go to color and make it black. Go to opacity and reduce it to 10%. Go to inner shadow, make sure the color is black. Set the blur radius to 5. Lock the layer. Let's import more pictures. I'll just enlarge this one and place it at the center. I'll import the next one. Just enlarge this and place it at the bottom of the Canva. Import the last image. I'll just rotate it and place it behind the other images. Next, I'll create a circle. I'll just reduce the opacity so I can see through it. You can copy the color code from the screen. I'll send it to the back also. Create a new text. I'll set the font to Helvetica Neue. Increase the letter spacing to 100. I'll set the size to 14. Center the text and position it at the top. I'll just copy the text and change the content. I'll curve this text so it flows with the circle we created. Just rotate it and find a value that matches with the circular curve. You can also use the values from this one. I'll set the color to red. Let's just change the color of the other text. Save your work and let's head over to Snapseed. Here in Snapseed, let's import our design. Go to HDRscape, with the people filter selected, reduce the filter strength to 7. Go to Grudge, set the style to 1332. Set the brightness to 11 and the contrast to 71. Go to View Edits and select Grudge. Now brush the grudge on only the edges. Make sure your brush value is set to 100. Go to Tune Image, reduce the brightness to -27 and set the contrast to 25. Just reduce the brightness to -18. Go back to View Edits and Grudge. I'll just erase some parts as it looks too dark. You can follow what I'm doing. Go to Portrait, I'll just let it load. Select the combo 3. Go to HDR Scape, reduce the filter strength to 4. I'll just go back to View Edits and Grudge again and paint some part of the circle. Go to Tonal Contrast. Set the high tones to 97, the mid-tones to 85, the low tones to 73, protect shadows to 30 and protect highlights to 43. I'll just adjust the low tones and protect shadow values. Go to White Balance and increase the temperature to 5. Go to Drama and select the Drama 1 preset. You can adjust the values to what suits you. Select Details and set the value to 17. Select Vignette and leave the outer brightness at -50. Go to Grainy Film, select the LO4 preset and reduce the grain to 20. Go to Details and increase the structure to 11. Go to Frames, I'll select frame 21 and just adjust the frame width. I'll add another frame. This time I'll use frame 18. Go to View Edits and just activate the other styles. I almost forgot about them. You can export your design and that's all. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.